Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss static GK sports question for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. We are having CMAT crash course. It includes day-wise schedule and covering all the important topic. The price for CMAT crash course is rupees 1999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mocks, which is rupees 299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for better practice. Let's start with the first question. Which Indian cricketer has scored the most number of runs in a single World Cup? The correct answer is C. Sachin Tendulkar. So, Sachin Tendulkar has made more score over 50 and scored more runs than any other cricketer in World Cup history. And he was the one of the Wisden Cricketer of the Year in 1997. Let's check the next question. With which of the following sports is Manika Batra associated? The correct answer is B. Table tennis. So in Tokyo 2020, Manika Batra became the first woman table tennis player from India to make it to the round of 32 in singles at an Olympics. Let's check the next question. Ian James Thorpe is associated with which game sports? The correct answer is D. Swimming. He is an Australian athlete who was the most successful swimmer in the country's history. He is having 5 Olympic gold and 11 World Championship titles between 1998 to 2004. Let's check the next question. Where was the Pullela Gopichand Badminton Academy founded in 2008? The correct answer is C. Hyderabad. Let's check the next question. Where is the Sultan Azlan Shah Cup held every year? The correct answer is C. Malaysia. Let's check the next question. The first Commonwealth Games were held in. The correct answer is C. 1930. The Commonwealth Game is previously known as British Empire Games, and the first time it was held in 1930 in Hamilton. The date is 16 to 23rd August 1930 and it's held in Hamilton. Let's check the next question. With which game was Khasheba Dadasaheb Jadhav associated? The correct answer is D. Wrestling. He was an Indian athlete. He is best known as wrestler who won a bronze medal in 1952 Summer Olympics, and he was the first athlete from independent India to win an individual medal in the Olympics. Let's check the next question. Which country publishes the Wisden Cricketers Almanack, often labeled the Bible of Cricket? The correct answer is D. United Kingdom. Let's check the next question. Which of the following cities hosted the 3rd edition of the Khelo India Youth Game? The correct answer is C. Guwahati. So Khelo India Youth Game was held from 10th January 2020 and 20th January 2020. Let's check the next question. Which country did the Indian football men's team defeated in final to win the SAF Championship Title? The correct answer is B. Nepal. So India beat Nepal by 3-0 to win the 2021 SAF Championship final title, which is held on 16th October 2021. It was held in the National Football Stadium in Maldives. Let's check the next question. Select the correct combination from the option given below. The correct answer is B. Golf bogey. Let's check the next question. Dipankar Bhattacharjee is a famous sports person belonging to which sport? The correct answer is C. Badminton. Let's check the next question. To which of the following Indian states does the Mardani Khel, one of the famous martial arts forms in India, belong? The correct answer is C. Maharashtra. So, Mardani Khel is a weapon-based martial art form. It owes its development to the geographic condition of the state like hills, caves and valleys. Let's check the next question. Who among the following Indian footballers has been named in the FIFA Video Campaign against coronavirus? The correct answer is C. Sunil Chhetri. Let's check the next question. For which game has the father of Leander Paes been a member of the Indian national team? The correct answer is B. Hockey. So, he presented the Indian hockey team in 1972 and he won the bronze medal at the event. Let's check the next question. Which tennis star will have a Swiss coin minted in her honor? The correct answer is D. Roger Federer. Let's check the next question. The major component of modern Olympic gold medal is? The correct answer is B. Silver. So, the major component of modern Olympic gold medal is silver. For the Olympics, gold medal are awarded to the first place, silver to the second and bronze to the third. But these medals are actually not made out of the mineral they are named. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is not a football tournament? The correct answer is B. Rani Trophy. Let's check the next question. Williams Cup is associated with which sports? The correct answer is B. Basketball. Let's check the next question. The Augusta Masters trophy is related to which game or sports? The correct answer is B. Golf. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.